I'm MD Sandeep, Managing Partner, FINCARE Advisors LLP. We have expertise, experience and execution in capital, consulting, coaching. We are here in HIMTEX for the first time for the 6th edition of HIMTEX. We are happy to be part of this exhibition where we have exhibitors from all over India, those who are into machine tools and engineering. We are here to support for any MSME entrepreneurs, business owners, especially related to any of their equipment financing need. We have been into this consulting, coaching and capital arrangement from banks and NBFCs and other fund houses since 2014. Through our consulting services, recently we have reached a milestone where we could save close to 120 crores in finance costs to our clients. If you look at the participants, predominantly exhibitors in HIMTEX, we have latest technologies in all the machine tools in terms of even 3D printing and application of AAs in 3D printing. So this brought in a lot of excitement among the visitors here, even trade visitors. I hope they will take the best use of the available solutions currently even in every part of India, especially through services of the exhibitors here. And many are finding it useful, especially in bringing down their turnaround time in bringing their products from the shop floor. So with the experience of the new technologies of machine tools being exhibited in this HIMTEX 6th edition. We are also seeing trade visitors from across India. We hope to continue this till the end of the exhibition for HIMTEX.